Azerbaijan. Azerbaijan, country of eastern Transcaucasia, occupying an area that fronts the southern flanks of the Caucasus Mountains. It is bounded on the north by Russia, on the east by the Caspian Sea, on the south by Iran, on the west by Armenia, and on the northwest by Georgia. The exclave of Naxians is located southwest of Azerbaijan proper, bounded by Armenia, Iran, and Turkey. Azerbaijan includes within borders the predominantly Armenian enclave of Nagorno-Karabakh, which from 1988 was the focus of intense conflict between Azerbaijan and Armenia. The capital of Azerbaijan is the ancient city of Baku, whose harbors is the best of the Caspian Sea. In addition to its variegated and often beautiful terrains, Azerbaijan offers a blend of traditions and modern development. The people of its remoter areas retains many distinctive folk traditions, but the lives of its inhabitants have been much influenced by accelerating modernizations characterized by industrializations, the development of power resource, and the growth of the cities in which more than half the people now lives. Industry dominates the economy, and more diversified pursuits have supplemented the explorations of oils, of which Azerbaijan was the world's leading producer at the beginning of the 20th century. Fine horses and covered contours as some of the more distinctive traditional exports of the Republic. Azerbaijan was an independent nation from 1918 to 1920, but was then incorporated into the Soviet Union. It became a constituent republic in 1936. Azerbaijan declared sovereignty on September 23, 1989, and independence on August 13, 1991. As a result of its broken relief, range patterns, climatic difference, and sharply defined altitudinal zoning of vegetation, Azerbaijan is characterized by a wide variety of landscape. More than 2/5 of its territory is taken up by lowland. About half lies at 1,300 to 4,900 feet, and areas above 4,900 feet occupying a little more than 1/10 of the total area. Natural vegetation zones vary according to altitude. Steppe and semi-desert conditions prevail in the lowlands and the foothills of the mountainous regions. The slopes of the mountains are covered with beech, oak, and pine forest. Higher up there is a zone of alpine meadows. The Lankan regions of southern Azerbaijan has average vegetation and thick beech and oaken forest.